following video may contain, I don't know. Cut. Action. The following video may contain. Am I feeling raindrops already? Oh goddamn. I think those are raindrops. God! Why? It was sunny like 2 seconds ago. Cause it's gonna rain right here. It's gonna rain. Oh yeah, it's gonna rain a lot. Oh fuck, it's starting to rain so bad. Like it's just catching up to me. I'm trying to run away from it so bad. Oh no! School zone! No! The cloud is not gonna go at school zone speed, you know that, right? So we're gonna get rained on, like, right now. It's gonna start raining, and I'm gonna get fucking rained on. Fuck! It caught up to me again. God! Damn it! Ah! Just change the light already. Please! Please! Fuck! Why? Fuck. Okay, go, go, go. Just change the light. Go. Go. Just go. Just go. Just go. No! No! Right here. Right here. This is the best place right here. Harley's gonna be like, the fuck you doing, bro? Well, I guess we can order something to eat here while we wait. Fuck. Free Wi-Fi spot. That's pretty cool. So we had a little sandwich called pan con croqueta. So we just had that, and it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad at all. The sun is coming back. Damn, South Florida. I try. I wish I had a louder exhaust. Oh, okay. I don't know. I don't know anymore. Okay? Whoa, motherfucker. You have a stop sign? I had to bring my Subi to get an oil change. I'll probably do a little car vlog while I come and get the oil change. You know, cause I'm cool. And that's what cool kids do nowadays. See, kids nowadays, that's what like old people say. Like, no, not old people, just older people. Kids nowadays, and then I put the old fucking voice. I would. Kids nowadays don't respect anything. Kids nowadays, I don't know what the fuck. We got it going on. We got it going on. I wanted to say thank you to those who have subscribed. I don't know, it's exciting. Is that exciting or what? Just the channel, you mother. And with all this excitement, I can't contain myself.
Heart on fire, set my heart afire.